Hola, buenas noches. Es el señor Josefi Trades. ¿Cómo estás? Gracias. Hello, hope everyone's doing well. Thank you for joining me on my daily performance summary on April the 10th, 2025, Thursday. Only one more day in the trading week to go. Crazy how quick the time goes by when you're doing something you love. All right, let's jump right into it. Had a good day on my PAs today, nearly 800 in profit. Could have been a lot more, but I'm trying to build them slowly. And my next phase in this campaign I have going on is to get more funded accounts and start copy trading them. And I just want to use the mantra, slow and steady wins the race. So after my encouraging news from yesterday's payout, I just want to not get greedy and just do things the right way and keep these for the long term and make them cash flow machines. So today I only had 6 trades, 100% win rate, pretty good performance. The week has been so far, these are all funded accounts now, $3,000 so far in my funded accounts. I don't include my evals in these videos anymore because I trade them a lot differently. I'm a lot more aggressive. I did pass 2 evals today, so I will be having 2 more funded accounts. That'll make a total that I can trade of 5. The thing is I could have 6, but my funded futures only let you have 3 at one time. So one of the evals I passed was a my funded futures. So if and when I blow one of my current ones, which I hope isn't for a long time, then I'll get to tap into that. The other eval that I passed was a take profit trader. You can have 5 of those funded accounts with them, so that'll be good. I'm going to try to get more of those. You can have up to 20 with Apex. I don't think I want 20. I think 10 is a good number. The next time they go on sale, I'm going to stack up on evals and try to add some more funded accounts with them. Right now, their sale is not the best, so I'm going to wait. They tend to do good sales every now and again, but right now is not a good time. So far this week, we have a good week. One day this will be, money I can take out after I grow it up and get everything past all these buffers. So my goal is to surpass this and make it a consistent thing weekly. And I'm encouraged by how I've been trading these markets lately. This day notwithstanding, that was sort of a tilt day. I guess that might have been, that was the day after the tariff news. I didn't know how to trade it. I adjusted quickly. You can see my win rate went from 27% to the next day 75%, 100%, 74%. Should have been 100. I got a little undisciplined when one of my friends got me excited about that pump yesterday. And then we're back to the 100% win rate. So I want to try to close the week out strong in that fashion. Let's jump into the charts. This is the 4-hour time frame, the big chart that I use. Trend is still down. We did retrace some of that move yesterday. It was sort of a very volatile grind down today. A lot of buying on some of these candles, but the fact remains that we lost a substantial amount of yesterday's gains. Looks like it broke out here and retraced. We might be getting. It looks like almost like a double bottom. We might be getting a breakout pullback. This thing could very well continue higher tomorrow. It could also very well continue lower. We just don't know. I don't know what will happen. I just know something will happen. Fridays tend to be days where people make a lot of mistakes because they're tired from the week. They're fatigued mentally, emotionally. So, and you know, activity from the big guys starts to dry up a little earlier because of the weekend. So Friday, I call it Capital Preservation Friday, as do a lot of people. My goal is to finish out this week really strong, and that means not doing anything unintelligent tomorrow. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Let's see, today is Thursday. So yes, this was our opening candle. We had a range day where it started out in a bearish trend, then it had a bounce, and then it sort of consolidated and ended the normal session right here. So yeah, basically right in the middle of the session's high and session's low. So it'll be interesting to see where we go tomorrow. Just consolidating. It could either be consolidating for another leg down, or it is still above this moving average. It could come back up and try to reclaim those highs from yesterday. Anything's possible. Let's take a look at the 5-minute, which is my execution time frame. Had 27 of my high probability signals today. Obviously, I didn't take but a couple of them in my funded accounts. In my evals, I took more, and that's how I was able to pass a few. But so much opportunity. Nearly all of them worked yet again. If you use your goal to scalp in this high VIX environment, I don't really look for a lot of continuation, although some of them would have been excellent continuation trades, like this 2-bar bearish engulfing, for example. If you followed it down with a trailing 1-bar stop, that would have been, let's see, 18,570s all the way down to 18,093. Yeah, like a 500 point plus trade. Now, I don't know that I would be able to hold that whole way with volatility like it is, but that's just an example of what you can do. What I did mostly is just scalp today. When a signal appeared and I executed on it, I went for a certain amount of points and got out quickly, because things like this happen where it opens, it runs all the way up, and then it does this, it closes right here. What if you were chasing it right here, thinking it was going to continue to the VWAP, and then it turned around on you? That's a way to lose. You can't chase price. I did good today not doing any of those mistakes. So my goal again is just to continue to execute well every day, get more funded accounts, build them up slowly, and start turning this into consistent payouts for consistent cash flow. And looking at the charts, I just get excited with all the opportunity. But I know what's been working for me, and I'm going to continue to stick with it. And I hope you guys have a good, strong finish to the week tomorrow. And remember to be disciplined. Be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today. And if you keep at it and you persevere and you learn, you can accomplish your goals and give yourself a chance. So until next time, great trading, everyone.